Every great innovation springs from insight into the subtle. Billions of years of evolution encode life's silent wisdom. When the living glacier's law meets the precision of technological craft, Xiong Dundun awakens. A mighty form, seamlessly integrated within ordered space, claiming no dominion, yet commanding its own realm. Twin king cooling, moving freely between frigid sea and solid land. Refines boundaries as nature does. Lear, symbiotic, thriving. Endowed with instinct to scent vitality through barriers. Ninefold purification converges, unveiling life's vibrant pulse. Each breath renews the inner world. It demands only freshness, locking in life's vibrant surge. 1 hour gifts a summer's cool embrace. The Glacier King's spirit, fused with intelligent form, tames nature's force within your home's embrace. Midea refrigerator Xiong Dundun, carving a sanctuary where all life thrives.